So everybody grab something to draw with and something to draw on, and let's get started. Now, the Fair Fairy is one of the more complicated characters to draw in the Dogman universe, but if you do it step by step and you break it down into one piece at a time, it's not too difficult. So first, what we're going to start off with is her glasses. Start off by drawing the letter V and put two kind of loops down at the bottom. Now we're going to fill in the glasses and make them nice and thick. And then we draw a little half circle at the bottom for her nose. Now we want to give her a big grumpy frown, so that's kind of like a squiggly line down here. And then some more frown lines and some really angry lines between her eyes. And then we'll finish off her face with just a few more curved lines. Now, when we get to the right side of her head, we're going to draw a big circle. This is one of her puffy sleeves. Now, we'll go over here and we'll start to draw her dress. We just go down like that and curve around, and then it's almost as if we're drawing water. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. We'll go right up, and we've got our dress finished.